My dear Stephen, as we stand here together in this blessed and special space and enter into a more sacred love, I give you my whole heart. You are my best friend, my soulmate, but most importantly, the absolute love of my life. Cheers to us and our future and family, to our greatest adventure yet. I love you so very deeply with all that I am.
It was up here in the Sierras where we had our first hiking adventure, and it was here that I fell in love with you. And I knew I had found the one for me, my adventure partner in life. You have made me happier than I could have ever imagined, and more loved than I ever thought can be possible. I promise to always be there for you, for us, always. You're my greatest adventure, and I love you so much.
May your journey continue with trails and paths lined in lilies and orchids. You may now kiss the bride. I now pronounce you fans for life, also known as Mr. and Mrs. Stephen and Christina Fan.
It was not meant before. You know, God brought Stephen into our family, and he's a great man. I'm getting to know him. He's very honorable, very trusting, and I love him. So God bless you two. Thank you for being a part of our family, and I hope that your marriage is as long and as if not longer than ours. God bless you.